Which sentence has incorrect subject-verb agreement? As a quick review, in general, subject-verb agreement refers to when a verb receives an S or not. If the subject is I, you, we, or they, the verb does not receive an S. If the subject is he, she, or it, the verb does receive an S. So we have she eats, but they eat. It sounds more complicated than it is, and most of the time, you can get by with simply a good ear for what sounds right in English. With this in mind, let's take a quick look at the subjects and verbs in our choices. A. Sentence 1. A prototype flying car has completed a test flight between two cities in Slovakia, spending 35 minutes airborne. Our subject here, ignoring the adjectives, is a car, which we can simply describe as it, which we see needs an S with its verb. As our verb, does have an S, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. Sentence 5. After landing in Bratislava on Monday, the aircraft transformed into a car and was driven into the city center by Klein Vision CEO Stefan Klein and company co-founder Anton Zayak. Our subject is the aircraft, or simply it, and our verb is was driven, which we see includes the necessary S. This can be marked as incorrect. C. Sentence 10. Klein Vision plans to develop 3- and 4-seater models of the air car, as well as twin-engine and amphibious versions, according to its website. Klein Vision, referring to the company as a whole, can be simplified to it, and we see its verb, plans, includes the necessary S. This can be marked off. And D. Sentence 11. A growing number of companies is exploring the potential of flying vehicles despite hurdles including safety and reliability. Our subject here is companies, which we can simplify as they, which we see does not get an S. However, our verb does have an S. It should be are. This sentence can be confusing as it sounds like number could be our subject, in which case is would be correct. But a growing number simply describes the companies. It's not the subject in and of itself. Based on this, we can see that this sentence doesn't have correct subject-verb agreement, and choice D can be marked as our final answer.